Hello, everyone. Have you ever wondered if your heart is at risk of failure? Perhaps you've noticed some unusual symptoms, but aren't sure what they mean. Today, we're going to discuss the top 13 early warning signs that may indicate your heart is in danger and failing. And don't forget, this video is educational and does not constitute medical advice, so please consult with your doctor if you have any concerns about your health. Let's get started. Number 1. Changes in urination patterns. Did you know that changes in urination can be an early sign of heart failure? That's right. When your heart isn't functioning properly, it can affect your kidney's ability to regulate fluid balance in your body. This means that you may notice getting up more frequently to urinate, especially at night. Additionally, you may find that your urine output has decreased or that it's more foamy than usual. These are all possible signs that your heart is struggling and not pumping blood efficiently enough to meet the needs of your body. If you're experiencing any changes in your urination patterns, it's important to talk to your doctor right away so they can check your kidney function and overall heart health. Don't ignore these potential red flags as they could be indicating something serious going on with your cardiovascular system. No. 2. Swollen legs, ankles, or abdomen. Swelling in the legs, ankles, or abdomen can be an early warning sign of heart failure. It occurs when the heart isn't pumping blood efficiently enough and fluids begin to pool in the extremities due to gravity. This condition, known as edema, often presents as a noticeable bulge around the feet and lower legs, though it may also affect the abdomen and other areas. The severity of the swelling can vary, ranging from mild puffiness to severe and painful edema. It's crucial to seek medical attention if you notice any unusual or persistent swelling, as it could indicate that your heart is struggling and needs further evaluation. Number 3. Persistent cough or wheezing. A persistent cough or wheezing is another possible sign that your heart may be in trouble. This type of cough is often worse during physical activity and may be accompanied by shortness of breath. It happens when the heart isn't pumping effectively and blood flow to the lungs is reduced. This causes fluid to build up in the air sacs of the lungs, triggering a reflex that leads to coughing. If you have a chronic cough that doesn't seem to go away or is getting worse, it's essential to see your doctor for a checkup. They will assess your symptoms and determine if there is an underlying heart issue contributing to the problem. Don't hesitate to seek medical help, as addressing any potential heart problems early can significantly improve outcomes. Number 4. Fatigue or weakness. Do you feel tired or weak all the time? Persistent fatigue or weakness can be an early warning sign of heart failure. When your heart isn't working efficiently, it can cause you to feel exhausted because your body isn't getting the oxygen and nutrients it needs. This type of fatigue is different from the normal tiredness you might feel after a long day or a strenuous workout. It's a constant feeling of exhaustion that can be a sign of an underlying medical condition. If you experience frequent bouts of unexplained fatigue or weakness, especially when you're doing everyday tasks, it's essential to see your doctor. They can evaluate your symptoms and determine if there is a problem with your heart or another part of your cardiovascular system causing these issues. Remember, it's always best to err on the side of caution and seek medical attention when it comes to your health. Number 5. Rapid or irregular heartbeat. A rapid or irregular heartbeat can be an early warning sign of heart failure. It happens when your heart isn't pumping blood efficiently enough, forcing it to work harder than usual to circulate blood throughout your body. This added strain can lead to an abnormal heart rhythm, causing it to beat too fast or skip beats. If you notice that your heart is racing, or you feel like it's fluttering in your chest, it's crucial to seek medical attention right away. An abnormal heart rhythm can be a sign of a serious issue with your heart and needs to be addressed promptly. Remember, your heart is the engine that keeps you alive, so any issues with its function or rhythm should be taken seriously. Don't hesitate to call your doctor if you notice any changes in your heartbeat. No. 6. Difficulty breathing. Shortness of breath or difficulty breathing can be an early warning sign of heart failure. When your heart isn't pumping blood efficiently, it can cause fluid to build up in the lungs. making it harder to breathe. This symptom is particularly common during physical activity, but it can also occur when you're lying down or even at rest. If you notice that you're struggling to catch your breath or feel like you're suffocating, it's essential to see your doctor. They can evaluate your symptoms and determine if there's an underlying heart issue contributing to your breathing difficulties. Don't ignore this potentially serious symptom. Seek medical help right away if you experience any signs of shortness of breath. Number 7, edema around the eyes. Swelling around the eyes can be an early warning sign of heart failure. When the heart isn't pumping blood efficiently, it can cause fluid to build up in the body, including around the eyes. This type of swelling is known as periorbital edema and may appear as puffiness, dark circles under the eyes, or a noticeable bulge above the eyelid. If you notice any unusual swelling around your eyes, it's crucial to seek medical attention. It could indicate that your heart is struggling and needs further evaluation. Don't ignore this potential red flag. Address any eye swelling promptly with your doctor. No. 8. High blood pressure. High blood pressure is a leading cause of heart failure, and it's essential to monitor your blood pressure regularly, especially if you're over 60. Prolonged exposure to high blood pressure can damage the heart muscle, leading to a decline in its overall function. If you have consistently high blood pressure readings, it's vital to make lifestyle changes and take medication as prescribed by your doctor to manage this condition. By keeping your blood pressure under control, you can reduce the strain on your heart and maintain its long-term health. Neglecting high blood pressure can lead to severe complications, including heart failure. So prioritize your cardiovascular health and take proactive steps to manage your blood pressure today. Number 9. Chronic kidney disease. Chronic kidney disease can put extra strain on the heart, leading to heart failure. When the kidneys aren't functioning properly, they can't regulate fluid levels and eliminate waste products effectively. This can lead to a buildup of toxins in the bloodstream, making it harder for the heart to pump blood and causing fluid retention. People with chronic kidney disease are at a higher risk of developing heart failure, and it's crucial to monitor both conditions closely. Managing your kidney disease through lifestyle changes and medication as recommended by your doctor can help reduce the risk of developing heart failure. Additionally, maintaining a healthy diet, getting regular exercise, and avoiding smoking can support overall cardiovascular health. Number 10. Diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus is a condition that can significantly impact various bodily functions, including those of the heart. When the body struggles to regulate blood sugar levels, it can lead to complications like high blood pressure and high cholesterol, both of which are risk factors for heart failure. Over time, these issues can strain the heart, making it less efficient at pumping blood and increasing the likelihood of developing heart failure. For individuals diagnosed with diabetes, it's crucial to maintain tight control over their blood sugar levels to mitigate these risks. By managing diabetes effectively and following a heart-healthy lifestyle, individuals with diabetes can reduce their chances of developing heart failure and other cardiovascular diseases. Number 11. High cholesterol levels. High cholesterol levels can be a silent threat to your heart health, and it's crucial to monitor your cholesterol levels regularly, especially if you're over 60. When you have high cholesterol, there is a buildup of cholesterol in your blood vessels, which can obstruct blood flow to the heart and other vital organs. This blockage can force the heart to work harder to pump blood, eventually leading to heart failure. To protect yourself against heart failure, it's essential to maintain healthy cholesterol levels through lifestyle changes like a balanced diet and regular exercise. Additionally, medications such as statins can help manage cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart failure. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your health. Stay informed about your cholesterol levels and take proactive steps to keep them within the recommended range. Your heart will thank you in the long run. Number 12. Obesity. Obesity increases the risk of developing heart failure by placing additional strain on the heart and blood vessels. carrying excess weight makes the heart work harder to pump blood and deliver oxygen to the rest of the body. Over time, this added strain can weaken the heart muscle, leading to a decline in its overall function. Additionally, obesity is associated with other risk factors for heart failure, such as high blood pressure and high cholesterol. By maintaining a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise, you can reduce the risk of developing heart failure and improve your overall cardiovascular health. Remember, every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step in the right direction. Number 13, history of heart attack or stroke. If you've previously experienced a heart attack or stroke, you might be wondering how that could affect your risk of heart failure. Well, both heart attacks and strokes are significant events that can weaken the heart and blood vessels, making you more susceptible to heart failure. A heart attack occurs when blood flow to the heart is blocked, causing damage to the heart muscle. Similarly, a stroke happens when blood flow to the brain is interrupted, potentially affecting the brain's function. These events can place a heavy toll on the cardiovascular system, increasing the likelihood of developing heart failure. That's why it's crucial for individuals who have had a heart attack or stroke to follow a heart-healthy lifestyle, take medications as prescribed, and attend regular checkups with their healthcare provider. By prioritizing your cardiovascular health and taking proactive steps to manage any underlying conditions, you can significantly reduce the risk of developing heart failure and live a fulfilling life. If you found this video helpful, please share it with friends and family. And remember to stay tuned for more informative content about heart health and overall well-being. Until next time, stay strong and take care of your heart.